National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Collin County and north central Texas, southwestern Fannin County and north central Texas, southeastern Grayson County and north central Texas, northwestern Hunt County and north central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near White Light, moving south at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Leonard around 5:35 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside,